In this video, let us understand how to create the images in MS Paint. It's part of web design and we are at the sixth part. And if you have not yet watched the previous videos, please watch the previous videos. The links are provided in the description. So here basically we'll concentrate how to use the paint to create the images. So open the MS Paint. So if you are not yet so here is the paint, just type the paint and you have a link over there. So click on this to open the paint. So once you open this, you can see that size is very small. You can go to resize. You can go to 2 pixels. You can check how many pixels you want. So here is the aspect ratio. You can remove the aspect ratio. Let's say 100 by 100. So this is what the size actually. Now you plan like how much size is required for your picture. So you want to put something like a heading. So make the square and select the fill color and choose the color from the palette. For example, I want blue color. So you can click here. You will get the blue color. Now if you don't want this blue color, you want somewhat darker, okay, it is not there here. So now what you can do is you can just go to edit color. You can see this is a color palette. You scroll down the here, scroll down, so therefore you can see that you get the darker and darker colors and select which color you want, and then you can say add to custom colors. When you click OK, you have a dark color now. So now fill the color, you get the dark color. Now you want to write some text over here. So in order to write the text, you select the color, which color you want. So for example, let's say light this color, and then go to text and then click over here and make the heading. So for example, let's say address. You want to make it as an address. Now type address. So in case you not change the color and then you take the text and you type address over here. So you are typing the address but it's not visible. So what you can do is you select this and then select the color, which color you want. So for example, I want this color again. So now you can see that address, and you want to change the font size, you can increase the font size here. So you can see that address is ready. Now we can save this file. So save as PNG file. Fine. So okay, I'll save it here only. So this is address. Now I'll show you like how to call this file in the HTML file or PHP file. So here you can see this is HTML file. So this is the code and we have one line and one logo. Two pictures are there here. And executing this, we'll get something like this. And now here the address has to come in the center. Okay, so you want to bring that picture here at the center. So in order to bring at the center, you can go back to this. Okay, so we can copy this trtd and we need to call that image. Okay, so now we don't want this width. So here we can give the file name. So what is the file name we are given for this particular address? So this is address.png. So therefore you have to give as address.png. Save this, and then if you go there and then if you refresh this, you'll get the address here. But we want to bring this to center. Okay, in that case what you have to do, so here you have to write align is equal to center, and you want to give some gap over there on the top. So you can have one more tr here, and you need to remove this picture from this, and instead of center you can write as a height here. So I20. So therefore it will provide a gap. It's an empty line, but it will provide some gap over there. So refresh this. You can see there is a gap and then this will come down. So this you can keep wherever you want. Like, so only thing is you need to call that picture in the coding. If there are some text is there, you can remove that. We can place it here also. That's how we can create a picture. So in the paint, and then you can call it. Now assume this picture is there. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just close this. If I go to folder, I could able to see that picture here. That is address1.png. We can open it again. So go to edit and then open it. Now you want to make it something else. Okay, so now location or Google map. Okay, so delete this using this select and then delete. So fill the color here. So in order to fill the color, first you need to select the color. So therefore select the pick color, select the color and then fill. So now everything is in same color. Now you need to write location or Google map. So you see that text is not appearing, so therefore select the text and select the color, which color you want. Then you have to write Google Map. Now don't save it, okay? You have to save it as a different name, because if you save it now, the one address will change. So therefore go to file menu, save as, then change to um, gmap, gmap.png. So now it is gmap.gng. Now you want to call this file again in this here somewhere, okay? After giving address over there, you want to call it here, or you want to display it over there. Then what you have to do is, okay, this height, okay, I'll take it again. I'll copy and then I'll paste it over here. Then we'll increase the height to 200, so therefore you have more gap here. And then you have to copy this line. There is a tr line, and now this is gmap.png. So now if I open this and if I refresh this, you can see that it's coming over here. So likewise, any picture you want. So first you make a picture in Paint, and then you can call it in the coding. And if you refresh in the browser, so you can see that that will be visible. So it will be visible in the browser.